In this lecture, we will be looking at how to create the files and directory. We will be creating the file by using the cat command. Cat, then we will specify the name of the file. In our case, we will be creating the file1, and we will be specifying the greater than symbol. Then we will type some data, and with Control D, we are going to save the file. And if we have to view the content of the file, we will again run the command cat file1. It will display the content of the file. Then we will be creating the directory, make directory test. Then with ls command, we are going to look at various files and directory. So now we will go to practically. We will log in as a VPN user that we created during the installation, and then I will enter the password. In my case, I have given the password 123456. Now I'm just going to clear the screen with clear command. Now for creating the file, the command is cat. Then what we are doing, we are specifying the name of the file and with the greater than symbol. Then we will type some data. In our case, we are just typing the data hello. That means hello is our data. Now I need to save that file. For that, I have to press Control D. Control D. And if I have to view the file, then again cat file1, it will show me the file. If I have to create the directory, the command is make directory test. That means we were able to create the. Now with ls command, we can look at various files and directory. This colorful is directory, this is file. Sometimes we are not comfortable with the colors. So what we are going to do, we will modify the command. We will say ls minus l. L means long listing. Please show us little bit more detail. Now in our case, it is showing lot of details, but we are only interested at this point of time. We are not interested in all the detail. We are just interested with the first character. If it is hyphen, that means it is file. If it is D, that means it is directory. That means by looking at the first character, we can specify whether it is file or directory. Now I will clear the screen. You can type clear, or with Control L, you can also clear the screen. Now we are going to create lot more directories. Now I have already typed in my file hello. Now I want to add one line. I want to also enter hi. So what I am going to do, again I am going to type this. Hello is already there. Now I am going to type hi. With Control D, I am going to save this. Now you will look what will happen. Oh, what happened? It has overwritten the data. That means the data that we were having earlier on hello, it has overwritten the data. That means if that could have been 500 pages file, Linux is not giving you the message. That means it is going to overwrite them. So that is why sometimes Linux is called, it is not user friendly, because you have to know what you are doing. It is not, most of the time it will not give that type of message. That means whenever we have to add some content, we have to use the append symbol. Now hi is there. I am just going to write hello. With Control D, I am going to save. Now if I am going to check now it is okay. That means if I have to add certain thing, I have to use the append symbol, double greater than symbol. But in this method, we can only add. That means if I have to add one line and if I have to delete one line, then this method is not okay. Later on, we will be discussing one VI editor. If we want to delete certain content, add certain content, then VI is the best, which we will be going in greater details. Again, I am clearing the screen with Ctrl L. Now, we are going to create certain other directories. So in my case, A, BB, CC. In CC, I want to create DD. In CC, DD. That means at once I have specified the whole directory structure. That means I'm saying that please create A directory, then BBB directory, CC directory. In CC directory, create the DD directory, and in CC DD create the E directory. That means with one command I can specify the whole thing. With ls-l command we can check. Now A directory is there, BB directory is, CC is there, test that we have already created is there, file 1 is. Now where is DD directory or E? Now DD directory is in CC directory. Now what will happen if I am going to run this command? I am saying in XXS create the YY directory. What will happen? Let us see. It is giving some error message. No such file. Because we have just said in XX create the YY. Now XX is not available. So whenever you want to create the whole directory structure, you have to be careful. That means we have to write make directory XX. Then we are going to say in XX create the YY. Now it is success. Now for removing the directory and removing the file, we will be using certain commands. So again I am clearing the screen with clear command. Now I want to remove the file. For that the command is remove file 1. It will remove the file. Remove directory command. I am specifying A, BB. It is going to remove the file, directory. Now I want to remove CC also. We will see what happens. Now again it is giving some message. Directory not empty. That means remove directory you can use when the directory is empty. Now how we are going to delete? That means first I have to enter into CCC, into DDD, then I will first delete the E directory, then I will move one step back, but that is very lengthy process. So what we can do, we are going to modify the command. We are going to say remove R mean recursively. We are saying remove command recursively remove the CC directory. Now we are going to remove the other directories also, because test directory is empty, so we can now if we are going to run this command, that means we were able to create the directories also, we were able to remove the directories also, we were able to create the files also, we were able to remove the files also. That means this is that means with the append symbol you can add certain contents. This is the command for creating the multiple directories. Then remove file, remove directory will be used for removing the empty directories, and rm minus r recursively will be used for directory and subdirectories, all the things.